Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our first official vlog from the main office. And yeah, it's about that time that I give you guys a quick preview of things that's going on and all that stuff. And this room right here is gonna be the room where we build most of our PCs. And we do have the wall so far. We don't have any like real tools on there yet, but you know, we just set this up. This is gonna be the official table that we use. I gotta slap a monitor in there, on it. And so far we got this PC to fix. We got this PC to fix. This, we already had like maybe 6, 7 of them that already just went out right now. Yeah, this is gonna be the gaming setup room. And I just put this video card right here on the streaming PC. And you guys will get a chance to see this whole office and all that stuff. New stuff coming soon. I just wanted to give you guys a quick preview. And also, while we at it, let's go. You guys get a chance to see some of this stuff. All right, it's still a mess, of course. We're still fixing everything. Right now, I am rendering an ATS video. And yeah, let me turn on the lights. As you guys can see, everything's still a mess. Shout out to my boy Mike, man. Hook up the evergreen on the wall. Just like you guys can actually see, like everything is work in progress. This used to look like a regular office. We're making it look like I don't know, I guess a man cave or something like that. All right, so that's enough for this. And one of the things you guys like the most is my setup, which I'm not done yet. But welcome, this is Eva. I know you guys been hearing me talking about Eva for the longest. This is what she looks like. Granny, shout out to you. She got a chance to build me this PC. I did some changes, of course, because we have the video card facing up. I switched it back because I needed to put some more SSD, which you guys can actually see on the bottom over here. And yeah, man, this is Eva, and this is the setup. Let me know what you guys think. And this is the PC I just put that video card in right now. And we just put a hole up here to run some wires. As you guys can see, I still gotta clean up. We just put a hole up here. Definitely a big shout out to Mike. And the walls coming together, as you guys can see over here. Yeah, man, as far as setup, Eva, of course. And the final room, and we still don't have ceilings yet, is this over here. We're gonna have things on the wall. You guys can actually see the PS5, all that. Work in progress, guys, work in progress. So don't mind me. I know you guys have been hearing me saying like, oh, I'm working on this, I'm working on that. Yes, that's what we've been working on. And before you know it, it'll be over. And I'll be able to, you know, just be able to like set up so many. Oh, talking about that, we still have some lights that we have to install in here. And let me raise this table. So main reason why I got this table is because I'm about what, 6'1", and I'm gonna be able to work while standing up, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna be able to do this while standing up. So put a PC here, have a monitor like somewhere right here, and just get everything done, man. So I'm gonna be accepting PCs from you guys, like the upgrades. Some of you guys that need to fix your PC, you know, things like that, pretty soon. So I'm almost done with the website so far. That should be done soon, where you guys gonna be able to order some of these PCs that I built. Some nice water cooling, some nice setup and all that stuff, man. But yeah, I think this is it for the update. I haven't posted on this channel, I don't know when, maybe a year, 2 years, I don't know, the last time. And we got some tutorials coming for you guys soon too. I'm gonna try my best to start posting on this channel a little bit more. As you guys can see, I've been busy, I've been grinding, I've been working. You guys already know, plus spending time with my little one. But right now, well, I guess welcome back. And if you haven't clicked on that like button yet, make sure to do so. But welcome, guys, all right? I guess until next time, peace.